Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya and I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. So you must be wondering why this lady is all decked up and everything. So today we are going to create this beautiful Padwa look. So the brief for this video was I am going to create a very wearable look. But if you know me, you know that I always go ahead and create glam looks. I'm all about that glam life. So I decided, okay, fine, glam is also good. We can go ahead with the glam life. And this is the look that I have created. I am super happy with the eyes, I'm super happy with the base, I'm super happy with everything. If you don't know what Gudi Padwa is, so Gudi Padwa is New Year for Maharashtrians and Konkani people. So tomorrow is the day, tomorrow is the New Year's Day. So anyone who is going to celebrate Padwa, तुम्हाला गुढी पाडवाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Also everyone who is celebrating Gudi Padwa, happy Gudi Padwa to you and your family. I wish that 2021 brings joy and happiness to each and every one of you. And if you want to know how I created this beautiful look, just keep on watching. So I have already prepped my face. I have applied the moisturizer, I have worn lenses and everything. Now I'll go ahead and prime my face. To prime my face, I'll be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This is how it looks like. I'll just take a pea size of the primer, this much. I'll just rub it and apply it on my T-zone. So for foundation, I'll be mixing two of my favorite foundations. The first one is the Huda Beauty for Filter Foundation in the shade 320G, and the second one is the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'll be mixing these two foundations and then creating my shade. Also, to give a very radiant glow, I'll be using the Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights in the shade, I guess it is Natural Bare Light is the shade. So I'll be mixing some of these and applying it all over my face. I'll be now going ahead and using this concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, Full Wear Concealer in the shade 317 Almond. And if you have seen my previous video, you would know how much I love this concealer. This is a very full coverage concealer and it does not dry out your under eyes. I'll just take it, and this is my shade, like this is close to my shade, so I only use it to hide my dark circles, which I clearly have a lot. So I'll just apply it here and just leave it. Also I'll apply it near my mouth so that, okay, I have applied it near my mouth so that my hyperpigmentation does not peek through. I have applied the concealer only under my eyes. I'll now just go ahead and blend it in. I'll just dab it because I don't want the concealer to go away. I want the coverage to be there. You can see how beautifully it has just covered my dark circles and how beautiful it sits on my face. I just love it. So before my under eye and my T-zone creases, I'll go ahead and use this K by Katrina loose powder in the shade Banana. If you have not tried it, I really recommend you to try this. This has actually become one of my favorites in very few days. I'll be just dabbing it under my eyes. Can you see the kind of effect it gives? It gives you a airbrush kind of a look. I am just living for this look. I highly suggest you buy this setting powder because it is really very good. You can buy it for yourself and see the difference. I'll apply it possibly on every area where I possibly crease a lot. So that is the whole idea. I'll not set my whole face because I am from a dry skin family, and that is the reason it will look like very cakey. So I'm just setting my T-zones and where I have applied concealer. I'll not be going ham on my contour, and in short I'll not be contouring my cheekbones. I'll just be bronzing up it a little, and the product that I'm using is Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm using this contour shade. I'll just use it very lightly, very light-handedly, so that is the reason I mentioned that I'll be only bronzing it. As you can see, I'm using a very little amount of product and just warming up my perimeters of my face. I'll now just go ahead and add some blush to this whole look, so that the little bit of blush could give my face some life. So the blush that I'll be using today is Lakme 925 Pure Rouge Blusher in the shade Pretty Pink. This is how it looks like. I'll now go ahead and do my brows off camera because it takes lot of time for me to do brows, and I'll be back. I'm done with the brows and I'll be now doing the eyeshadow, and that is the reason I'm a tad bit closer to you. The two eyeshadow palettes that I'll be using today, the first one is the Makeup Revolution Patricia palette, and the second one is the Jaclyn Murphy Hill palette, the original one. I will be using the shades from both of them. I will be letting you know which are the shades that I'll use. First, I'll be going ahead using this fluffy brush and be using a transition shade. The shade that I'll be using is this one, the third one, nude one. I'll be now using this shade known as Pillow Talk. This is a bright pink shade, and I'll be using the same fluffy brush. I'll be taking another blending brush and blending it in. I'll now take this brown shade from the Morphe palette on a flat shader blush. I'll just dab it on the outer corners. As you can see, the brown and the pink are blended in. I'll now go ahead and slightly do a cut crease and then fill in it with a shimmer, and we are done. I'll be taking this flat cut crease brush, and I'll not be doing the cut crease with the help of a concealer. I'll be doing it with the help of an eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'll be using is from the Carnival palette, and the shadow name is Pillow Talk. This is a white shadow. The shimmer that I'll be using today is the dark golden one from the Morphe palette. I'll take the shade on my ring finger. Eyeshadow is completed and it looks beautiful. I'll now go ahead and apply a liner. I'll be using the Lakme Insta Line. The mascara that I'll be using today is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I have recently started using it and I am quite enjoying this one. I'll be now using a kajal under my eyes, and the kajal that I'll be using is the Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal. This is how it looks like. I know I have finished it almost, but I love this kajal and I go back to this. If I finish this, I'll repurchase it. I love it so much. I have applied the kajal very, not so beautifully because I'm going to smoke it out. I really like a smoked out look. I'll be going ahead and smoking it out. The lipstick that I'll be using is the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Diana. This is a pink based nude lipstick. Next, I'll be using the NYX Full Throttle lipstick and the shade is 05. This is a pink based, like a warmer pink based lipstick. The last step of this makeup look is highlighter, and I'll be using the Nykaa highlighter in the shade Glow Getter Glitterati 02. I'll be using this like champagne kind of a highlighter. We are done with the makeup look. I will just wear my whole attire and just be back. So this is how the look has turned out. Oh my god, I love it. I just like did a hairstyle. I just wore my sari, the jewelry, the nut. Oh my god, this nut is actually giving me life right now. I look so beautiful, so beautiful. Touch wood, मुझे मेरी नज़र नहीं लग जाए. So this is the look that we have created. If you look at the eyes, they are so heavy, they are so glam. Oh my god, I am so in love with the eyes. And I hope that you like this tutorial. Like if you like such get ready with me, please do let me know. Please like this video, please share it with your friends, please comment and wish me padwa, because why not, you should do that. And please like this video, please comment under this video, please share it with your friends if you like this look. It would really mean a lot to me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it is free, you can do that. And also turn on the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you get notified and you'll be able to see all my videos. And until next time, bye bye, love.